Hi, here's how to set up some categories for your products in WooCommerce. So if we go to Products, Categories, and you see we haven't got any categories for this website yet, so we'll make a start with Homeware. Now don't worry about slug or parent just yet, but we will fill in the description, which depending on the theme your website is using, may or may not be used on the front of the website. And underneath this, you see a drop down called Display Type. Now, this controls what happens when somebody lands on your new homeware category page. So you can set it to display just products, or if you set up some subcategories, which we'll do in a moment, you could have it just to display subcategories, or you can set it so it displays both products and subcategories. Now, first in the list is a standard setting. Now, what this means is you can set your categories to use this standard setting, and we can adjust this globally. So we'll cover this a little later, but I'm going to leave this set at the standard setting for the moment, and we can control all of the categories that we set up in one go. And you can also set an image that represents your category. So I'm going to choose something from the media library that represents my homeware category. Okay, and then just click Add New Product Category. And you'll see our new category appears over the right hand side. So let's go in here, add another category. And I'm going to add another image, and this time I'm going to upload one. So I'm going to choose something from my computer, and after it's uploaded, just click Use Image and Add New Product Category. Okay, so you can set subcategories. So these are categories that sit underneath parent categories. So I'm going to set up a category that's going to be underneath homeware. So I'm going to call this one kitchen. And on the drop down for parent, just select homeware. Now, I'm not going to set a description or an image for this one. I'm just going to add new category. And see, now we see our new category, kitchen, and the little line indicates that it's a subcategory, and above it is homeware. So kitchen is a subcategory of homeware. Okay, now I mentioned the standard setting here on display type. So all three of these products at the moment are set to use that standard display type setting. So I'm going to quickly show you now this setting. So we go to WooCommerce Settings, and go to Products and Display. Now you see this setting here, Default Category Display. So all of those three products were set to use the standard setting, which is this setting. So we can control how all three of those categories look on the front of the website. So we can choose for them to show all products, show just subcategories, or show the subcategories and products. Now I'm going to set them to show subcategories and products. So remember, this will affect all three of those products, all three of those categories in one go. And then you just save changes. Now we'll jump back to our category. So again, go to Products, Categories. So you can of course edit these and change them afterwards if you just hover over one that you'd like to change. So perhaps I'd like to change kitchen, and I click on Edit. So I can now put in my description. I could, if I wanted to, override that global setting that we used and have just this kitchen category displaying just products or subcategories or both. At the moment we'll leave it to standard that we just set in the WooCommerce settings page. Now I'm missing an image, so I'm going to add an image to this. And update. And we'll just jump back to our product categories. Okay, that's how to add categories in WooCommerce. In the next lesson, we'll make some products and we'll assign them to these categories. Thanks for watching.